Welcome back ladies and gentlemen to our channel. The Kia EV6 is a fully electric crossover SUV that blends performance, advanced technology, and modern design. Built on Kia's Electric Global Modular Platform, EGMP, it shares its foundation with models like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Genesis GV60. Performance and powertrain. The EV6 offers multiple configurations to cater to diverse driving preferences. Standard range 2WD, equipped with a 58.0 kWh battery and a rear-mounted electric motor producing 167 horsepower. Long range 2WD, features a 77.4 kWh battery paired with a rear-wheel drive setup, delivering enhanced range capabilities. All-wheel drive, AWD combines the 77.4 kWh battery with dual electric motors, providing increased power and traction. EV6 GT, the high-performance variant boasts a combined output of 576 horsepower, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 3.5 seconds and achieving a top speed of 260 km per hour, battery and charging. The EV6 supports both 400V and 800V charging infrastructures, rapid charging. Utilizing an 800V system, the EV6 can charge from 10% to 80% in as little as 18 minutes, depending on the charger used and the maximum charging power the EV can handle. Range. The rear-wheel drive long-range version offers a WLTP estimated range of up to 528 km on a single charge. Design and dimensions. The EV6 showcases a sleek and modern exterior design. Dimensions. Measuring approximately 4,695 mm in length, 1,890 mm in width, and 1,570 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,900 mm. Exterior features, distinctive LED lighting, aerodynamic lines, and a coupe-like silhouette contribute to its futuristic appeal. Interior and comfort. The cabin is designed with a focus on comfort and technology. Seating options include premium relaxation seats that can recline for optimal comfort. Materials. Sustainable materials are used throughout the interior, aligning with the EV6 eco-friendly ethos. Technology and features. The EV6 is equipped with advanced technological features. Infotainment. A curved dual 12-inch display setup provides both instrument cluster information and multimedia controls. Head-up display. An augmented reality head-up display projects essential driving information onto the windshield. Driver assistance. Features such as active blind spot assist, forward collision warning, and remote park assist enhance safety and convenience. Global recognition. The Kia EV6 has received accolades for its design and performance. Awards. Named the European Car of the Year in 2022, marking a significant achievement for Kia. Availability. The EV6 is available in various markets, including Pakistan. Prospective buyers should consult local Kia dealerships for specific details on availability, pricing, and configurations suitable for the Pakistani market. For more detailed specifications and configurations, you can visit Kia's official page on the EV6. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.